embodied intelligence, where we'll go through it and we'll understand what it means. And so we'll go to embodied intelligence, what it means. Researchers from the related field of robotics, such as Rondi Brooks, rejected symbolic AI and focused on the basic engineering problem that would allow robots to move, survive, and learn from environment. They called their work by survival nemes. Okay, like for example, embodied studied behavioral based on development, their work, survival, and non-symbolic point of view of the early cybernetic research in 1950. Okay, this coincide with the development of embodied mind thesis in the related field of cognitive science. So cognitive science, it's all about like how human beings think, what is intuition, all this consciousness, all these cognitive functions which are going inside us when we are born till we die. So all these scientists, they started doing research on these things so that they can embody those mind thesis and understand cognitive science. And they started doing research on that, this idea that aspects of the body.